Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you, and thank you for taking precious time out of your day to see what I have to show you. Please ignore the background noise. The dishwasher is running, but have a couple things that I want to show you that I got at Five Below. And there, I think there's only two. So get that off of there. Sorry about all the crinkle sound. So some of you probably have already seen these, and if you have, I apologize. But oh dear, I gotta run and get I gotta open this, so I need something to open it with. One moment. Okay, so as I was saying, some of you may have already seen this, and if you have, I apologize. I know that Miss Southern Belle has worked on this and completed it, and let me see if I can get it out of here. Oh dear. Okay, so this is a big one. This is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So you just get your typical toolkit here. You get an instruction sheet, and I'm not sure how many colors. Let's see, 25, 29 colors in this. And here is your legend. Here is a picture of what it will look like. And this thing is folded up. And I'm not sure it even says on here how big this is. It says it has 7,000 plus stones. It's called Flower Bouquet. And it does not say, but this looks like maybe a 30 by 50 maybe, but it's a partial. And I fell in love with this. This is beautiful. Oh dear, I'm gonna mess this up. Gonna mess it up. This will need some flattening out, which I can do underneath the mattress of my bed. I just need to label the drills. But this is how it goes. And that is gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. Look at all these drills, y'all. Okay. So here it looks like are the regular drills. Look at all those pretty colors. And then here are the special drills. You can see, look at those pinks. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I don't think the camera did it justice for Miss Southern Belle there. I'm not sure you can see. Those are pink. Green, these white smooth domes. Oh wow, the green flowers, marquees. gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And here, you guys, is the drill field. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It is beautiful. So this one will be fun to work on. It is not linear, so we don't have rows and columns. These are placed, if you can tell there, in they have a little bit of curvature to the lines, which just gives the painting more depth. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I don't think I realized how big this actually was. So let's set this over to the side. And then I got another one. And let's see, 4, 12, 15, 18 colors in this one. So here's the box, and it says pretty and dangerous. It's a diamond painting. It's the AVEC make your own diamond painting in photo printed frame, and it's 11.81 inches by 15.75 inches. Can I get it out? Yeah, there we go. And it comes with a pink pen tray and a red plate of wax. And again, you get your legend inside. There's that, what that looks like. And then here is the diamond painting, and it is a partial. Isn't that adorable? Pretty and dangerous. And I love the look of this frame from a distance. It looks like it's textured. So that is gorgeous. And so it's on this hard board. And it is the frame. And here is the drill field, if my camera will focus. Oh dear. I think there's a glare. Okay. I can't tell, but I think that it focused. And then here are the pretty colors for this one. Those greens. You all know I love my greens. Tans and creams. Very, very pretty. So I think this will be extra cute too. Love it. I think it's adorable. And this one is in columns and rows. So you can multi-place on it. It does have a little bit of color blocking, but it has some confetti in there too. But it won't take that long. It's small. It's a partial. And it is cute, cute, cute. I love it. So that's all I have for you today. I know this is a rather short video. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys head over to your Five Below and see what they have. Thanks again. You guys remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others, even when they're not kind to you. Give someone a smile or a kind word today. You never know what a difference you might make to that person today. And God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.